What if I told you, 2 dividend ETFs could completely change your financial future in 2026, but only one might be the better choice for you? Today, we're breaking down SCHD versus FDVV, 2 of the most talked about dividend ETFs right now. One is known for reliability and consistency, the other for higher yield and flexibility. But here's the problem: most investors pick based on yield alone, and that's where they lose money. So in this video, I'm going to show you the real differences between SCHD and FDVV, which one is better for income versus growth, and most importantly, which ETF could help you build a powerful dividend income stream in 2026. Hello viewers. If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What are SCHD and FDVV? Let's start simple. SCHD stands for the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF focuses on high-quality companies, strong dividend growth, consistent profitability. Think of SCHD as the quality over hype ETF. FDVV stands for the Fidelity High Dividend ETF. This one focuses more on higher dividend yield, a broader mix of stocks, more flexibility in sector exposure. Think of FDVV as higher income, but slightly less strict selection. Strategy differences. This is where it matters. This is where most people miss the point. SCHD strategy screens for strong financial health, focuses on return on equity, cash flow, dividend sustainability, holds about 100 companies. Translation: SCHD is built to last decades. FDVV strategy focuses on high dividend paying stocks, includes more companies, 100 plus, less strict on profitability metrics. Translation: FDVV is built to maximize income today. Dividend yield, what everyone cares about. Let's talk income. SCHD yield, approximately 3.5%, 4%, varies. FDVV yield, -3%, 4.5%, often slightly higher. But here's the truth: yield alone means nothing without growth. SCHD has historically lower starting yield but stronger dividend growth. FDVV, slightly higher yield but less consistent growth. Dividend growth, the hidden wealth builder. This is where SCHD shines. SCHD has strong dividend CAGR, growth rate, consistent annual increases. That means your income grows over time. Fast. FDVV, more inconsistent dividend growth, depends more on market conditions. Key insight: if you want rising income over time, right pointing arrow. SCHD wins higher starting income, right pointing arrow. FDVV competes. Portfolio composition. SCHD top holdings: blue chip companies, financials, industrials, consumer staples. Examples of characteristics: stable earnings, long dividend history. FDVV holdings, more diversified, includes tech, financials, energy. FDVV may have more exposure to high-yield sectors. Risk comparison. Let's be real, no ETF is risk-free. SCHD risk profile: lower volatility, strong downside protection, defensive characteristics, great for long-term investors, retirement portfolios. FDVV risk profile: Slightly higher volatility, more exposure to market swings, yield traps possible. Important: higher yield sometimes equals higher risk. Performance comparison: historically, SCHD has delivered strong total returns, consistent growth, lower drawdowns. FDVV: competitive returns, more variability. Reality check: total return matters more than yield. And SCHD has often outperformed over the long term. Which ETF is better for retirement? Let's break it down clearly. Choose SCHD if you want reliable income growth, you're building a dividend snowball, you want stability. Choose FDVV if you want higher income now, you're okay with more risk, you want broader exposure. The best strategy: most people miss this. Here's the real power move. You don't have to choose one. You can combine them. Example strategy: 70% SCHD, stability plus growth, 30% FDVV, extra yield boost. This gives you growth, income, diversification. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's protect your money. Mistake number 1. Chasing yield. High yield does not equal safe income. Mistake number 2. Ignoring dividend growth. Growth is what builds wealth long term. Mistake number 3. No diversification. One ETF equals unnecessary risk. Outlook for 2026. Looking ahead, SCHD likely to remain a top-tier dividend ETF, strong in uncertain markets. FDVV could benefit from higher interest rates, strong dividend sectors in 2026. SCHD equals stability plus growth. FDVV equals income plus flexibility. So, which is the best dividend ETF for 2026? If you want long-term wealth and reliability, SCHD is the winner. If you want higher income right now, FDVV is a strong contender. If you want the ultimate strategy, combine both. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more dividend investing strategies, and comment below. SCHD or FDVV, which one are you choosing?